Hi, welcome to Missologist. So the next drink we're making from the January box is the Honey Ginger Hot Toddy. I don't know about you, but I am a huge fan of hot toddies. They're very nice if your throat's bad or not feeling well. It's just kind of, and you don't even need the alcohol, honestly. You can just put in lemon juice and honey in hot water and you'll get the same sort of warming, healing feeling. So, but since I am a mixologist, I am putting rum in this. Now, I don't really have a lot of Florida Cana left, so I think we're gonna have to switch to our standby rum, which is Bacardi Superior Puerto Rican rum, and that's fine. It still tastes really good. And so for this Honey Ginger Hot Toddy, also, does anyone know where the name Hot Toddy came from? I have never looked that up, but I am kind of curious. So if anyone knows, could you please post in the comments, because I would love to know where that came from. Okay, so for a Honey Ginger Hot Toddy, it's 2 ounces of rum. Ooh. 1 ounce of lemon juice. So, this lemon's a little squish, but we're gonna use it anyway. So let's squeeze this lemon, but it should have a lot of juice. Whole lot, oh yeah, this lemon's full of juice. Okay. Very juicy lemon. Smells interesting, but it should be fun. Okay, so we've got 1 ounce of lemon juice, and there are some seeds, but hopefully I won't get them in here. So far, so good. Okay, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and 1 ounce of ginger honey syrup. So for that, I am using Mad Maiden Shrub Honey Ginger syrup. Let's give it a good shake before we put it in. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna put in 1 ounce of that. Lovely. All right, and then we're gonna top this with hot water. So I'm gonna get some hot water. Okay, so we topped it with hot water, and now I'm gonna stir it in this mug. And now this is probably pretty hot, so I'm not sure if I want to taste it right now, but let's see. It's very hot. Okay. It's good. I'm getting the ginger really strongly. The honey, not so much, but oh, okay. This has organic cider vinegar in it too. I think that's part of it. I'm tasting a lot of the vinegary stuff and ginger, but not as much of the honey. But it's good. It feels very much like it's opening my sinuses. Yeah, I think it's a good cheers.